Dan, do I need a degree in copywriting to become a copywriter?
No, you don't need a master's degree in copywriting. In fact, I don't know if there is even such a thing in the school system. You see, you don't learn copywriting from professors because what have they sold with their copy? They're teaching in school. Now, how I learned copywriting was I was fortunate enough to be able to learn it from a mentor who taught me how marketing works. You see, I'll give you 3 simple tips if you want to learn copywriting. First of all, you don't learn that in school. Number 1, you want to learn copywriting from actual copywriters. Copywriters that have sold millions and millions and millions of worth of products and services in the actual marketplace, because then they are speaking from experience. That's number 1. You want to learn from actual copywriters. And this is why Copy Academy is so powerful, because you have actual copywriters who have been doing it for years with decades of experience and who have sold millions and millions of dollars worth of products and services, teaching you how they write copy. That's number 1. Number 2, you need to learn the structure of good sales message. How do you write the headline? How to write opening paragraphs? How to write emails? The basic fundamental of persuasion, human psychology, because that's what makes you a good copywriter. And the third component is you need to be able to get critiques.
Not good enough.
You need to be able to get feedback from master copywriters telling you, hey, you know what? This chunk, you can change it this way. You should write it this way. This kind of feedback loop is how you get good. That's how I got good. And all 3 components, you get them all from Copy Academy. You get world-class education from actual master copywriters. You get critiques and you get structures, exactly how to craft those messages. And you get in-depth training in different areas of copywriting, such as emails, such as chatbots, such as video sales letters, or landing pages, or funnels. Then you can pick and choose. And now in the beginning, you want to learn a lot. You want to go broad. Once you find your area of interest within copywriting, then you can narrow down. And no, you do not need to get into hundreds of thousands of dollars in student debt or spend 4 years in school learning copywriting.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Learn, do. Learn, practice. Learn, get critiques. And that's how you get good. And that's how I got good. It's the only way that I know to be a skillful copywriter.